I want to show you some professional ways to make golden morn. Golden morn, you can try it for your breakfast, or you can also try it maybe when you want to sleep as dinner. There is two professional ways to make golden morn, and that's what I'm going to show you now. The second part of it is very, very interesting. Don't skip this video. Make sure you watch it end. After watching this video, if you find this video helpful, please drop a comment and give me a thumb like. Don't forget to follow this channel to be getting more updates on how to make any kind of African food and how to eat healthy. This particular golden morn now, if you make golden morn like this, if you want it to be soft, because there's two ways. Number one, make golden morn to be crunchy. Number two, you can make golden morn not to be crunchy. Yes, very, very important. If you make your own like this now, do you see the way I'm making it here? Do you see the way it's going here now? Don't forget, you can add any milk of your choice. Alright? You can add any milk of your choice. This is the second part. That first part, I make the golden morn. That one become very soft, and trust me, I enjoy that particular one because it's very soft. This is the second part. You can also make like this. You can use liquid milk. You can use powder milk. If you watch, the first milk I use and this one is not the same. You saw the first milk and this is second milk. Alright? You want to be crunchy, do it like this. After making it, just take it immediately, and you will not enjoy it, trust me. But if you make it like this, like the previous one, after you put everything, stir and mix well and give it like some time, like a minute or 2 minutes, to make sure that things soak water very well. Watch this one, that particular one, they are not the same. If you check it very well, if you can remember. So this one is now. You see the time frame when I put this one milk and that one. Before now, the other one I put in the milk already before start mixing. But this one after mixing, I pour milk on top. It look good though. Two of them are good, but depend your choice. But that first one is very, very interesting, trust me. Now we're adding the milk. That first one, we put milk before mixing, and the taste was yummy, very, very interesting. Let me know what you think about this. Have you tried this pattern of golden morn before? If yes, let me know on comment section. Or is there any other professional way you think you can make golden morn to enjoy it? I do this with very cold water, very chill water.